Do you know what happened in the Indian stock market today? A super bull run in the morning, Sensex rose 900 points. But due to investors who took profits till the evening, the market started to falter. Why did this happen? The reason is the new GST changes. Also, the expectation of a US interest rate cut. Now you can know the whole story, man. When the market opened at 9:15 a.m., the Sensex started rising by 900 points. In addition, the Nifty 50 also crossed 24,800 points. Do you know why this super jump? The government announced major GST changes yesterday. Tax on most essential goods has been reduced and tax calculation has been simplified. As a result, people's spending power will increase, demand will increase, so FMCG, consumer goods stocks started flying. Okay, let's see what this GST change is in detail. Earlier, there was a different tax calculation for items like cigarettes. But now GST will be levied directly based on transaction value. Furthermore, taxes have been reduced even on items we use in our daily lives like toothpaste, shampoo, electronics, and insurance premiums. The government says this change is likely to generate up to $20 billion in additional demand per year. The impact of this is people will spend more. Companies will make more profits. The Indian economy will become even stronger. Because of this good news, the market was green all morning. But the market never moves in a straight line. Investors who saw the morning's rise said, "Let's take profit now." That was decided. So, profit booking started. The stock market was a bit slow at 12 noon. Till evening, Sensex was almost flat. At the same time, Nifty 50 only rose 0.34% to 0.37% and remained above 24,800. That is, there is a positive feel in the market, but there is also a bit of caution. Another important thing today? Out of 16 sectors, 15 sector stocks rose. In which, mid-cap and small-cap stocks also gave profits in a good range. That is, this is a day that gave energy to not only FMCG, but also to the entire market. What investors are saying? These GST cuts will be a game changer for the market. Another important thing that affected the market: the expectation of a US rate cut in the US. What will happen if that happens? Foreign investors will bring more money to the Indian stock market. The dollar will weaken, India will benefit more like emerging markets. Thus, today's rally also got a global push. In short, Sensex and Nifty rocketed in the morning due to the GST changes. In the afternoon, the market became a bit flat as investors took profits. However, the positive vibes in the market are still strong. Which sectors will the GST change lift the most in the next few days? That is the important question for investors. What do you think? Will this GST change be a big booster for the market? Or will it only have a short-term effect? Comment below, like the video if you liked it. Don't forget to subscribe to get instant stock market updates.